children, today I am going to take your history as well as geography class. Let me first start your history class. Chapter 3, Emergence of Vedic India. Today I am going to give you the question answers of this chapter. Question 1. Name any two early Aryan settlements. Answer. Two early Aryan settlements were number 1. Sub-Sindhu region. Second. Upper part of Gangetic Valley. Question 2. Which is the oldest Vedic literature? Answer. Rig Veda is the oldest Vedic literature. Question 3. What does the Rig Veda contain? Answer. The Rig Veda contains hymns in praise of different gods and goddesses like Indra, Varuna and Agni. It consists of 1028 hymns divided into 10 mandalas of book. Question 4. What was the position of women in the Rig Vedic age? Answer. During the Rig Vedic age, women were treated equal to men. They were allowed to take part in religious ceremonies. They were given education. Girls had the freedom to choose their husband in the form of Swamvara. Question 5. What were the two main occupations of the Rig Vedic Aryans? Answer. Two main occupations of the Rig Vedic Aryans were agriculture, cattle rearing. Question 6. What was the chief duty of the king in the Rig Vedic age? Answer. In the Rig Vedic age, the chief duty of the king was to protect the tribal territory. Question 7. Name the two political institutions which exercise check on the powers of the king in the Rig Vedic period. Answer. The two political institutions which exercise check on the powers of the king in the Rig Vedic period were the Sabha and the Samiti. Question 8. What form of worship did the Aryan follow during the early Vedic period? Answer. During the early Vedic period, the Aryans worshipped a number of gods, nature gods such as Varuna, the god of season, Usha, the goddess of dawn, Surya, the sun god, Indra, the god of thunder, rain and war, Vayu, the wind god, Prithvi, the goddess of the earth, and Agni, the fire god. Though they worship many gods, but they believe that all are the manifestations of one supreme power. And with this, I am ending my history class. Now, let me take your civics class. Chapter 2, the preamble to the Constitution. Today, I am going to give you the question answers of this chapter. Question 1. What do you understand by the term preamble to the Constitution? Answer. A preamble is an introduction to the Constitution. It tells us the source, the objects and contents of the Constitution. Question 2. What do the words "We the Preamble of India" in the preamble signifies? Answer. The preamble signifies that the source from which the Constitution springs, the people of India. We the people of India proclaims that the people of India are constitution maker. Preamble to the Constitution describes India as a sovereign state. What do you understand by the term sovereign? Answer. The term sovereign refers to an independent state. It means that India is an independent country and no other country or countries can interfere in our internal or external affairs or dominate us. We are free to make our own laws. Question 4. What are the implications of a democratic government as promised by the preamble to the Constitution? Answer. As promised by the preamble to the Constitution, India has a democratic form of government, which means it is a government of the people, for the people and by the people. It implies free and fair election based on adult franchise, civil liberties such as freedom of speech and religion, the rule of law and the independence of the judiciary. Question 5. Mention any two steps taken by the Indian Republic in pursuit of its socialist objectives. Answer. Two steps taken by the Indian Republic in pursuit of its socialist objectives were: number 1, to reduce the gap between the rich and the poor. Number 2, to provide everyone with an equal opportunity to benefit from the country's wealth. And with this, I am ending my today's class. Goodbye.